How to create restore point in Windows 11 and 10. Search Create a restore point. Double-click on Create a restore point. Click on Configure. Ensure that Turn on System Protection is selected. Adjust the disk space usage for restore points if needed. This determines how much space is allocated for storing restore points. Click OK. Back in the System Properties window, click the Create button. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the restore point. Enter a descriptive name. Click Create. Windows will now create the restore point. This process may take a few minutes. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Close. Recover Windows 11 with the help of System Restore Point. Type Create a Restore Point and click on the matching result. This opens the System Properties window with the System Protection tab selected. In the System Protection tab, click the System Restore button. In the System Restore window, click Next. You'll see a list of available restore points. Select the one you want to use. Click Next. Click Finish to confirm and start the restoration process. A warning will appear stating that once started, the system restore cannot be interrupted. Click Yes to continue. Your computer will restart and the system restore process will begin. This may take several minutes. After the process is complete, your computer will restart again. Log into Windows and you'll see a confirmation message that the system restore was successful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.